Why do 75% of data analysts prefer working from home? Because they get to work in their PJs and save on commute time. Hey there, job seekers. If you're passionate about data and looking for an exciting work-from-home opportunity, LG Ad Solutions has the perfect entry-level role for you. We're hiring business data analysts to support our client success team. You'll dive deep into data analysis, sales engineering, and media strategy, helping craft solutions that drive client satisfaction and boost revenue. Imagine curating data segments, drawing insightful conclusions from raw data, and developing automated solutions, all from the comfort of your home. Plus, collaborating across departments like sales, account managers, and operations to create a seamless experience for our clients. This role is all about innovation, problem solving, and making a significant impact. You'll be at the forefront, using advanced methods like mathematical modeling and predictive analytics to estimate potential income for clients. And don't worry, whether you're a fresher or have some experience, we welcome all applicants with a bachelor's degree. Ready to apply? It's simple. Scroll down, click the apply link, fill in your details, and submit. Join us at LG Ad Solutions and start your journey in the dynamic world of connected TV advertising. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.